in Odisha which can place on par with institute of national importance like IITs. We need resources for such a massive expansion on par with other national institutes. A foundation of rupees 1,000 crores should be created. We need some one-time grant of 200 crore from the state and center. The MHRD should recommend us as an allied institute for this special grant, and I'm sure they will do it. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a Marathi saying, देणाऱ्याने देतच द्यावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेतच जावे, आणि देणाऱ्यांचे हात हजारो दुबळी माझी झोळी. We can give income tax benefits under Section 80G, 35(1)(2)(3)(c)(3)(a) and CSR, and I'm sure you would like my equation 100 equal to 1,000, meaning give me a satellite campus of 100 acres and I will go after creating 1,000 crore endowment. And optimistic that such a day is not far away. If our government, alumni, industry, and philanthropists decide to open their purses, I'm sure this will happen. So let me quote Rigveda at the end. Chakshurno dehi chakshuse, chakshurvekhe tanubhyaha, sachedam vicha pashyamam. Give sight to our eyes, sight to our bodies so they can see. May we see the whole world. May we see it in detail. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Dhanyavad.
Honorable Mr. Chancellor, pursuant to the recommendation of Academic Council to confer the bachelor's degree, I present to you 258 candidates who have been examined duly and found qualified for the bachelor's degree, Bachelor of Chemical Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Pharmacy. I pray that these candidates may be admitted to the respective degrees. On behalf of those who have been permitted to receive their degrees in absentia, I pray that they also be admitted thereto.
In my capacity as the Chancellor of this institute, I hereby grant the request made by the Dean Academic Programs and request the Vice Chancellor to confer upon the candidates the bachelor's degrees, BChem, BTech, BPharm on 258 candidates in person in absentia. Thank you.
Sir, let me call upon Professor B.N. Thorat, Head of the Department of Chemical Engineering, to present the Bachelor of Chemical Engineering candidates. Professor B.N. Thorat, please.
I, Professor B.N. Thorat, Head of the Department of Chemical Engineering, would call the Bachelor of Chemical Engineering candidates. The following students will receive their degrees in presentia. Anish Acharya, Arjun Gopal, Karishma Atarkar, Neha Bakre, Neha Bhamre, Sahil Bhujbal, Mayuresh Chavan, Shishir Deshmankar, Neha Doshi, Sarang Gaikwad, Dhananjay Galange, Ameya Ganme, Rushali Gardare, Bhushan Gadade, Nikita Ghode, Sachin Hilalpure, Suraj Jagtap, Ruchi Jain, Kajwe, Onkar Kulkarni, Tushar Mahendrakar, Siddharth Mehta, Yogesh Metekar, Ajinkya More, Akshay Narkhede, Varun Pandya. I'll wait for Varun Pandya. Meet Parikh, Bhushan Patil, Chetan Patil, Nutan Patil, Pranjali Patil, Sachin Patil, Virendra Pawar, Chaitanya Sampath, Dhruv Saxena, Akshay Shah, Akash Srivastav, Ruchita Sutar, स्नेहल ताडगे, मनीष तावडे, कृणाल टेंबुने, परस वोरा, अंकुश वंजारी. The following students will receive their degrees in absentia, and the name of the students are Ashish Lalita, gold medalist; Shresh Acharya, Nilesh Ade, Achal Agrawal, Saurabh Ailwar, Saurabh Bandopadhyay, Deven Baser, Amla Bhagwat, Pooja Balode, Alek Desai, Swapnil Deshmukh, Tanmay Deshpande, Ashutosh Divekar, Srinath Gadge, Utsav Gosalia, Ankur Jadhav, Karnik Kamath, Prashant Kamble, Tejal Kamble, Akash Katageri, Monica Kumta, Nikhil Mahajan, Dheeraj Maske, Nikhil Mahadev, Shikhar Mundra, Rohit Nagargoje, Pratik Nikam, Arish Pathare, Mohit Palak, Shantanu Pore, ईशान पोद्दार, मतीश प्रभु, आदित्य सालुंके, अपूर्व संपत, उत्कर्ष शाह, प्रसाद शिंदे, पूजा तिलक, सागर उदयवारा, किंजल वलेद्रा, विनीत सरस्वती. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor B.N. Thorat. Sir, let me call upon Professor M.S. Degani, Head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, to present the Bachelor of Pharmacy candidate. Professor M.S. Degani, please.
I, Professor Mariam Degani, Head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, would call the Bachelor of Pharmacies to candidates. The candidates in presentia: Urvi Nerurkar, Aarti Kamraj, Shashikala Bhute, Paritosh Chandawade, Akash Gandhi, Pooja Gangurde, Saili Ghag, Akshay Kapadia, Aboli Mandrukekar, Aarti Pandit, Chinmay Patil, Pritesh Patil, Priya Pujari, Pallavi Rane, Madhura Rege, Kashish Shah, Nehal Shah, Swapnil Sheth, Rahul Sonawane, Sharvari Ungaukar, Sanket Vibhagdik. The following students are awarded in absentia: Ankita Bagul, Raj Desai, Ashutosh Dikshit, Pranjali Kandvinde, Heta Mehta, Sannidhi Modi, Disha Prabhu. Thank you.
Professor M.S. Degani, may I also request you to present the Bachelor of Technology in Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Technology candidate.
I, Professor Mariam Degani, Head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, would call the Bachelor of Technology in Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Technology candidates. The name of the students in presentia: Harsh Agarwal, Aniket Akhade, Nikita Avare, Chinmay Kulkarni, Saima Momin, Jinay Nagori. Name of the students in absentia: Surabhi Talele, who was a gold medalist, Siddharth Agarwal, Akash Parekh, Riddhi Patel, Apurva Patil, Johan Pitale, Shrishti Pitti, Ashwini Ranade, Kirtesh Raut, Sangamitra Shirolkar, Abhinav Temani, and Rupesh Vishwakarma. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Degani.